ODOT is a really large organization, state agency. We have more than 5,000 employees and consultants. The role of IT here, we really are responsible for stitching things together from design, engineering, construction to inspections and maintenance. We help the business do the work that they need to do. Back in 2013, we started working on something called the workspace aggregation, our enterprise architecture that really is geared for user experience. Our customers were telling us that they need more applications out in the field. I challenged my teams to provide any application on any device, anywhere, which was met with much ridicule at the time. We knew that the technology was going to come around to where we were thinking, and our business really was demanding it. We started working toward that model, picking off one piece at a time and changing our infrastructure and the way we apply everything to the user helped us achieve our goals. Citrix was not one of the original components of our architecture, but it ended up becoming a very important one. It's providing core functionality now that the Department of Transportation is leveraging. When it comes to business process improvement, a lot of the construction that goes on at the Department of Transportation happens through contractors. And when those construction contracts are underway, there are a lot of change orders. It was taken up to 6 weeks for a change order to be executed. And a lot of that was because the contractors could not access an internal application. It was specifically designed to only ever be available to our own employees. And what we were able to do is inside the workspace. Now it is possible for all of those approvals to happen within about a 4-hour period. And they can be into our financial system within about 4 hours of actually initiating a change request. It was a huge win for our construction division. When COVID-19 struck, we were in an optimal position. The Ohio Department of Transportation on March 12th did not have a work from home policy. On March 13th, we had a work from home policy, and the following week, the 16th through the 18th, we deployed more than 1,600 people to work from home. Our workspace aggregation laid a foundation upon which we could grow. At over 95% of the applications that our people needed to work from home successfully and efficiently were already deployed inside our platform. Our endpoint computing team had been traveling the state to take a look at the Citrix environment to say, which of these applications have been virtualized? Which applications do you use on a regular basis have not been virtualized so that we can get them in the environment and make them available across this platform? I get frequently asked, how long does it take to move 1,600 people out of an office? And while their answer is 3 days, mine is 6 years. That's how long it took us to actually lay the groundwork so that in 3 days, we could be highly successful. My opinion is that we jumped over years of trying to figure out whether work from home would be a viable model in state government, or at least at the Department of Transportation. There would have been years of discussion, and we were forced into a situation to prove that we had everything in place, and we did it over 3 days. Technology is going to play a significant role in transportation for years to come. We're at the dawning of a new age of transportation. Through the use of our workspace aggregation models, we're going to streamline how our internal customers use those tools. For example, we have multiple timekeeping software systems, and one of the things that we're investigating right now is the use of microapps, where we can record information in one place in a microapp and have that go into the respective systems properly. The external customers, that's going to be even bigger. There are 1.2 billion internet connected vehicles right now in the world. We are in the process of developing technology that will take that data and really tell us what the living, breathing transportation system in the state of Ohio looks like at any particular moment in time. Making sure that the citizens of Ohio can effectively get from place to place, that we can move goods across our state and take care of our transportation system. That's what we're trying to do.